is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. And this is Bailey. We're here to tell you it's our favorite time of the week. It's Tablescape Tuesday. Guess who our fabulous hosts are? Yes, it's the Grace Lives DIY and Amethyst Adventure. Check out my description box to go visit their channel.
We start out with a Dollar Tree dessert plate with this lemons, dinner plate and buffalo plaid, Hobby Lobby gold charger, Amazon gold silverware, at home gold glass. The black tablecloth came from Amazon. So did the table runner, which I'll show you more of that later. This is a piece that was my mom's. The milk can that came from Dollar General about 2 years ago. And these are lemons that I got at Michael's last year. This is a sign, a original, one of a kind, hand-painted sign from Terry Burton of The Robin's Nest by Terry. If you're not following her, go check her out. This is a Christmas garland, and this is a Lazy Susan that I thought would add a more farmhouse touch. I have the candles that are from At Home. They were on clearance. And this bee was Dollar Tree. These were from Hobby Lobby after Christmas. These were Amazon. And so was our napkin holder. Okay, here is our end of our runner. This is our runner. It's just lemons with a buffalo plaid bow.